Sir, I am raising only concerning about the Constitution. Sir, as I already pointed out, our House and also Lok Sabha both consist Parliament, and the Constitution recognizes these two houses, and we have to run according to the procedure, rules and constitutional procedures. Therefore, I request you to run properly. We have to follow certain things, and that is what I said. Sir, leader of the opposition in the lower house.
No. This will not go on record. We will not be able to discuss
not allowed to speak.
about the other house.